Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question is that preparation of aldehyde and ketones. It is the point number B from a nitriles. Okay, so we started here the preparation of aldehyde and ketone. So we take the point number here next. What here B? It is called as what here? The preparation of aldehyde and ketone. So we take the point number B. It is called as the from nitriles. You know what is nitrile? Nitriles is a compound which contain the functional group of the nitrite is called RC triple bond N, called as the nitrile. It means from the nitriles how to prepare the aldehyde and ketones. So we take the point number first. What here? The preparation of what here? Aldehyde. The preparation of aldehyde from nitriles. From nitriles. The nitrile is also called as a cyanide. Okay. So the nitrile is also called what here? Why cyanide? Because this contains C triple bond N, called as a cyanide. So from the nitrile or cyanide, how to prepare a aldehyde? This is the point number first, the preparation of aldehyde from the nitriles. Okay? So when a nitriles on reduction, it means this reaction is also called as the Stephen reactions. What here? The Stephen reactions. The Stephen is a name of scientist. He give the reaction. It means these scientists give the reaction when how the aldehyde are prepared with the help of a nitrile by reduction. So क्वेश्चन आस्क इन एग्जामिनेशन, क्वेश्चन आता है बेटा आपको 2 मार्क्स के लिए, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होता है. एक्सप्लेन द स्टेफन रिएक्शन और how to prepare the aldehyde from nitrile by Stephen reactions. So we take the chemical reactions. So when the nitriles means R single bond C triple bond N nitriles is react with a hydrogen. It means this reaction especially take place with the help of reductions. It means the process in which the addition of hydrogen called reduction, or the process in which the addition of hydrogen called as the hydrogenation. So this hydrogenation or reduction are take place in presence of what here? SnCl2. What here? The SnCl2, and second reactant we take the what here? HCl. So SnCl2 comma HCl. So these SnCl are act reducing agent, whereas HCl are used as reactant. Okay beta. So these SnCl2 are act as catalyst, whereas HCl are react as what here? Reagent. So this one H shifted to this carbon, this H shifted to this nitrogen. So what we get? We get R single bond C, the triple bond change into what here? Double bond CH double bond C. What here? CH double bond CH double bond C NH single bond HCl. It means this HCl are directly shifted toward the nitrogen. So what we get? We get one types of the compound, which is called as a complex. Okay. Now this further this complex on what here? Now further this complex on hydrolysis with the help of, in presence of H3O positive, we take the addition of water molecule as hydrolysis. So this H2 also write in the form of H single bond OH. ठीक है बेटा, यहाँ वाटर ऐड करेंगे हम लोग. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा बेटा मालूम है कि आपको रिएक्शंस में क्या होगा? देखो यहाँ पे दिस NH, ठीक है, एंड दिस 2H. क्लियर बेटा? यहाँ से रिएक्शंस क्या हो रही है याद रखो बेटा. यहाँ पर ये NH जो है ना, यहाँ पे ये NH, दिस 2H will be attached to this NH. So what we get here? It is called as a NH4Cl are lost. remaining this oxygen are shifted to this CH. So what we get? We get R single bond CH plus NH4Cl. This RCOH called as what here? It is called as the aldehyde. What here? The aldehyde. Clear बेटा? Reaction का देखो कैसे लिखा बेटा हमने? When a nitriles is react with hydrogen in presence of SnCl2 and react with HCl. So this HCl are shifted toward this N. What we get? NHCl. Remaining this H2 are attached to carbon and nitrogen to form the complex. This complex on hydrolysis is form the aldehyde. This reaction called Stephen reactions. Question 2 मार्क्स के लिए आया बेटा आपको, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर द aldehyde from nitrile और व्हाट इज द स्टीफन रिएक्शंस और व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ स्टीफन रिएक्शन. तो आपको एक्सप्रेशन क्या लिखना पड़ेगा. सो व्हेन नाइट्राइल इज रिएक्ट विद हाइड्रोजन एंड HCl इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ SnCl2 it form the complex on hydrolysis in presence of H3O positive it form the what here ammonium chloride and aldehyde. It is called what here Stephen reaction or the preparation of what here aldehyde from the nitrile. Now this R group also replaced by this R group is replaced by CH3. What do we take here? This R is replaced by CH3. C triple bond N called as what here methyl cyanide. It is called R called alkyl cyanide. CH is called methyl cyanide. On same reaction on reduction in presence of what here hydrogen and here SnCl2 act as what here the reducing agent and HCl are act as a reactant. The HCl is directly attached to what here this nitrogen. One H attached to this nitrogen and second H attached to this carbon. What we get? Same here. What we get here? Only replaces R by CH3. So CH double bond NH single bond what here HCl. On hydrolysis in presence of H3O positive and HOH are added. This 2H this one are added toward this N. And this NH will be goes as what NH4Cl. Remaining oxygen are shifted to this CH. What we get? We get a CH3 single bond CHO plus loss of NH4Cl. It is called as what here acetaldehyde. What here? So on the basis of this reaction we can say that when the nitrile it means methyl nitrile or what here acetyl or methyl nitride react with the hydrogen and HCl in presence of SnCl2 it form the what here imanium complex or called as only complex on the hydrolysis it form the aldehyde or acetaldehyde. So in this they prepare the aldehyde from the nitriles. Clear? Now these aldehyde also prepared with the help of nitrile but a different reducing agent also used. Here use a SnCl2. अगर रिएक्शन में SnCl2 है इसका मतलब प्रोडक्ट सिंपल क्या मिलेगा रिएक्शन जो है एंड नाइट्राइल चेंज क्या में होगा ओनली व्हाट हियर द अल्डिहाइड और एसिटल्डिहाइड. अगर यहाँ पे SnCl2 चेंज किया तो अब रिएक्शंस कैसे होगी तो हम यहाँ पे SnCl2 मतलब वी चेंज द रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. वी यूज अ रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट व्हाट हियर डाई अल्किल एल्यूमिनियम what here the hydride. So we take the reactant. So we take the example here how this reaction is carry on. So when the pentene 1 ENE nitrile, so we take the pentene that is called as a CH3 single bond attached to what here CH3 single bond CH double bond CH single bond CH2 single bond C triple bond and okay. So here how this reactions carry on. Now this in this reaction we change the reducing agent. Here we take the SnCl2 means tin dichloride. Here we take the special reducing agent called as what here dialkyl or dialkyl butyl aluminum hydride we take here. So it is a example of what here the nitrile. Okay. So this nitrile on reductions So we added a hydrogen here called reductions. So this reaction especially take place in presence of what here, DIBALH, or it is also write ALH, ALHI BUT by 2. It is a di-aluminium, okay, di-alkyl. What we take the name is called as the di-isobutyl. D stands for di-isobutyl aluminium hydride. It is act as reducing agent. Okay. So in this reaction, okay, and this further react with the water molecule directly, H2O. It means it is act as a what here, hydrating agent. It means we added a water here. So when these nitriles on reaction in presence of di-isobutyl aluminium hydride, or it is also right in the form of dibutyl aluminium isohydride, दोनों का जो भी नेम है सेम है बेटा, what here, di-isobutyl aluminium hydride. So in this reaction these two H are shifted to this N and O are shifted to this carbon. Clear? So here we take the what, the twice water molecule here. Okay, so 2H are shifted to the 1H are shifted to this H, and this O will go as what here. So we get a CH3, single bond CH, double bond CH, single bond CH2 and the CHO, and loss of the NH3 ammonia gas. अब रिएक्शन देखो कैसी हुई बेटा यहाँ पर. So in this reaction this di-isobutyl aluminium hydride does not reduce the double bond or triple bond. It reduce the what here, नाइट्राइल इंटू अल्डिहाइड. स्पेशली याद रखो, इसका एडवांटेज है, इसका डाई-आइसोब्यूटाइल एल्यूमिनियम का क्या एडवांटेज है बेटा, कि ये सिर्फ जो है डबल बॉन्ड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड रिड्यूस नहीं करता, उसको ब्रेक नहीं करता, सिर्फ चेंज क्या में करता है, वी चेंज द वन फंक्शनल ग्रुप कॉल्ड नाइट्राइल इंटू अनदर फंक्शनल ग्रुप कॉल्ड एज अल्डिहाइड. ओके, सो इन दिस वे, सो दिस टू वन हाइड्रोजन आर शिफ्ट टू दिस C and this O will be called as CHO, remaining H only 3 here. So 3 will be called as NH3 here. So it is called as what here? It is called as a aldehyde. What here beta? So it is called as a aldehyde. So on the basis of this we can say that, so from the nitrile we prepared aldehyde, and when the nitrile is react with the hydrogen in presence of especially SnCl2 and HCl, it is called as the Stephen reaction. Whereas when the nitrile is react with a water molecule in presence of di-isobutyl aluminium hydride, it is act as a what is hydrating agent. Sorry, it means we added a water molecule called as hydrogenation. ठीक है? So these di-isobutyl aluminium hydride are used as what here, hydrating agent. It means we added a water molecule. ठीक है? So what we get a aldehyde. ठीक है बेटा, इस तरीके से हमने देखा प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्डिहाइड फ्रॉम द नाइट्राइल्स. नाउ वी टेक द सेकंड पॉइंट, द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ व्हाट हियर. सो वी टेक द पॉइंट नंबर सेकंड हियर, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ पॉइंट नंबर सेकंड, और सेकंड प्रिपरेशन ऑफ कीटोन. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ व्हाट हियर. सो वी टेक द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ कीटोन्स from nitriles. Now how to prepare the ketone from a nitrile? We take the chemical reactions. So the ketone are prepared with the help of nitrile by using the what here, alkyl magnesium halide. What here? Alkyl magnesium halide. So we take the chemical reaction. So when the nitrile means RC triple bond and nitrile is react with a alkyl magnesium halide, this reaction especially take place in presence of dry ether. ठीक है बेटा, अब यहाँ पे जो है नाइट्राइल सेम है, यहाँ पे चेंज क्या है, सेकंड रिएजेंट और रिएक्टेंट चेंज. यहाँ अल्किल मैग्नीशियम हलाइड है कॉल्ड एज द GR, Gr called as the Grignard reagent. It is the what here? The nitriles. What here? The nitriles. So when the nitrile is react with Gr called alkyl magnesium halide or Grignard reagent, in presence of dry ether, it form the first complex. This complex called as the what here? The alkyl magnesium complex. So now we take the reaction. How this reaction take place? So this R shifted to this carbon and this MgX are shifted to this nitrogen. So what we get? So we get here the reaction beta R single bond C, clear, triple bond change into double bond. Here we added R. यहाँ पे लो या यहाँ पे लो बेटा, एक तो लोअर साइड में लो या अपर साइड में, दोनों सही का होता है, ऊपर भी ले सकते हैं नीचे भी ले सकते हैं, ठीक है. सिंगल बॉन्ड व्हाट हियर, सो वी टेक द सेकंड NMgX, it is called as the magnesium complex. What here? Magnesium, और शॉर्ट फॉर्म में क्या होता है इसको? Mg complex. Okay बेटा, when this Mg complex on hydrolysis, so when this Mg complex on hydrolysis in presence of H3O positive ions, so what we get here? So we get what here? The ketones. What we get here beta? Ketone. So how this reaction take place? So here in these reactions, the water molecule we take how many? So we take the twice water molecule, twice H2 will be take here. So one oxygen atom are shifted to this carbon, this bond are break, ठीक है. So what we get beta? Reaction R single bond C double bond O R called as ketone plus remaining but how many H? 4H will be take here, 3 come toward the N. So what we get? NH3 plus remaining Mg what here? OH here X. It is called as the what here? Ketones. ठीक है बेटा, रिएक्शन समझ में कि बेटा आपको क्या लिखा हमने? व्हेन द नाइट्राइल इज द रिएक्ट विद अल्किल मैग्नीशियम हैलाइड कॉल्ड एज द ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट, शॉर्ट फॉर्म में Gr, ठीक है. इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ ड्राई इट फॉर्म द व्हाट हियर? Mg कॉम्प्लेक्स. Mg कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑन हाइड्रोलिसिस इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ H3O पॉजिटिव विद a twice molecule of water. So one oxygen are shifted toward the this carbon will be go to ketone, remaining oxygen will be goes toward the as a OH, ठीक है बेटा. अब इसको रिएक्शन को बैलेंस करते हैं बेटा यहाँ पे. तो हाउ मेनी आर वी टेक हियर? दिस R Cr, ठीक है बेटा. रिमेनिंग व्हाट वी टेक द रिमेनिंग हियर? N, दिस N. हाउ मेनी Mg single X. Now we take the water molecule. So in water molecule we added a twice hydrogen, means 4 hydrogen. So 3 are shifted directly toward the N, NH3, remaining are H. And this oxygen to this one and this one. In this way we prepare the ketones. This R, okay. Example second, this R replaced by CH3. This C triple bond N called also the nitriles or methyl nitriles. On reduction, this R also replaced by CH3, single bond Mg. This X replaced by any group of halogen because X is a halogen. How many halogen? 4 halogen we take here: fluorine, chlorine, bromine और iodine. कोई भी लिख सकते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे. In presence of what? Same here, dry ether. What we get? Same reaction. This CH3 are shifted to this side और this side. यहाँ पे भी same है बेटा. एक तो यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करो R को, यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करो, कहीं भी चल सकता है आपको, ठीक है. तो अभी अगर आपने नीचे शिफ्ट किया तो क्या बनेगा आंसर? तो वी गेट आंसर here CH3 single bond C attached to CH3 double bond N single bond MgCl is a magnesium complex on hydrolysis in presence of twice H2O water molecule and presence of H3O positive as a hydronium ion. So what we get here? Same here. This 2H shifted towards this 3H shifted towards this nitrogen. Remaining one oxygen shifted to the CO. What we get here? CH3 C double bond O CH3, or it's also right what here? CH3 C double bond O CH3. It is called as acetone because especially acetone what here? When the CO group attached to the two similar CH3 group, so name of compound specially called what here? Acetone. And loss of what here? Same NH3 and what here? The MgClOH. So in this way we prepared a aldehyde and ketone, that is the B point, from a nitrile. The formula of nitrile what here? C triple bond. याद रखना बेटा आपको, सिंपल रिएक्शन है. पहले क्या किया हमने? पॉइंट क्या लिया? how to prepare the aldehyde and ketone. Point number B, from nitrile. The nitrile have the molecular formula is the what? C triple bond N. Now first preparation of aldehyde from a nitrile. This reaction is called as Stephen reactions. What here? Stephen reaction. What is Stephen reaction, or how to prepare aldehyde from the nitrile? So when the nitrile is when the nitrile is react with hydrogen in presence of SnCl2 and HCl, what we get? We get a complex on hydrolysis. We take a what here? Ammonium chloride and what here remaining aldehyde. This R replaced by CH3, सेम रिएक्शन है. अभी स्पेशली यह SnCl2 को चेंज किया, यहाँ पे क्या लिया बेटा? डाई आइसोब्यूटाइल एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड. इसके दोनों का फॉर्मूला नेम सेम है बेटा, डाई आइसोब्यूटाइल एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड लिया. और जिस ये रिएक्शन में क्या किया टेक प्लेस? दिस रिएक्शन आर कैरी ऑन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल इज द व्हाट हियर हाइड्रेशंस. सो व्हाट वी गेट अ सेम हियर aldehyde. ठीक है बेटा. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट हियर ketone. The preparation of ketone also prepared by using the nitrile. So nitrile on reaction with the RMGS called the alkyl magnesium